Yes, hello, who's this?
Hi, this is Nicole from Brightstone Realty. Am I speaking with Lorraine Lyons?
Yes, this is she.
Hi, you came across our ad for Brightstone's new homes in Dubai and shared your details. I'm just following up to learn what you're looking for. We have apartments, villas, and townhouses in different locations and price ranges. Do you have a moment to chat for 2 minutes?
I'm rather busy right now. I don't think so.
I see. We can pick a time later today, or I can quickly note what you're looking for in under 2 minutes now. I promise I'll keep it short.
Okay, go ahead.
Great. To start, what type of property are you most interested in?
So I'm interested in a villa, 5 bedrooms.
And do you already have a budget range in mind for this villa?
So $3 million would be the maximum, and my down payment is $500,000.
Okay, so up to $3 million for a 5-bedroom villa with a down payment of $500,000. Is there a particular area or neighborhood you're hoping to find a property in?
Arabian Ranches.
Arabian Ranches, got it. And when are you hoping to make a move? Are you looking right away or more in the next few months?
As soon as possible.
Great. Lastly, are there any must-have features you're looking for, like parking, a pool, or a gated community?
All of the above, and I would like it to be a landscaped garden.
Wonderful. So just to confirm, you're looking for a 5-bedroom villa in Arabian Ranches, up to $3 million, with a $500K down payment as soon as possible, and you'd like parking, a pool, a gated community, and a landscaped garden. Is that all correct?
That's all correct.
Perfect. To help us find the best options for you, can I get your email address? We'll use this to send you property details and to confirm your appointment.
Okay, so my email is Megan, MEGAN, @gmail.com.
Got it. Megan@gmail.com. Now, how about we set up a quick 30-minute appointment for you with one of our expert real estate agents, Paul, to discuss these options in more detail and explore financing. Would this Thursday at 10 a.m. work for you?
Actually, I already have an agent, and I'm probably just going to go with that agent because I kind of like what he showed me. If you could just send me the listings, that'd be great.
I see. Well, that's not an issue. Some of our clients actually work with more than one agent. It gives them access to a wider range of listings. This is just a quick appointment to see if we have properties your current agent might not have shown you. Paul can also help narrow down listings to what really fits your needs and point out options you might not have considered before. We find that that's generally the case with most buyers. Would you still be open to Thursday at 10 a.m. or perhaps another time?
Okay, yeah, okay, that's actually a good idea. Why don't you set me that appointment? But I want it to be at September 23rd at 9 a.m. for 30 minutes. Can you do that?
You got it. I've scheduled your 30-minute appointment with Paul for September 23rd at 9 a.m., and I've sent the details to Megan@gmail.com. You'll discuss a 5-bedroom villa in Arabian Ranches, up to $3 million, with a $500K down payment as soon as possible, including parking, a pool, a gated community, and a landscaped garden. Please let us know if you have any questions before then.
No, that's about it. Thank you so much. Those are all my questions.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. So if you want to learn how to create this real estate agent and program it to handle common objections, stay tuned for the tutorial.